Well, hello. Welcome to Woodline Design and the workshop from my basement. So today I'm just going to do a quick short showing you the features of a Spanish cedar box I put together, and it's got a poplar interior that I stained black, and it's got a nice secret compartment. And this short is just going to go through the features of that box. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is a cedar box that I created a few years ago. And let's see if we can go through it a bit. And you can see another version of it. Here it is from the top. I put a small ruler underneath it. It's just a little paper ruler I printed out just to give you some idea of the scale. This is the box with the lid half on and half off. And here's a look inside the box. And that is just poplar, which I used a opaque black stain to just bring out a contrast. And then here's another angle of the same box, and yet a side view of the same box, and yet another view of the same box. Notice my not perfect corners. Again, here it is with a secret key. Now, that secret key, see right there, I blew it up a little. That opens up this secret drawer. That's kind of the unique feature about this box. And that's the little drawer, and that's the little hidden entrance where the drawer slides into. And there's the bottom of the box. Well, that's it from the wood workshop today from Woodline Design here in St. Louis. It's Thanksgiving week, so have a great Thanksgiving.